just on time. Are you here for the apartment tour? Perfect, come on in. Welcome, Olive, who's here? Hi everyone, it's Jenna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my long-awaited apartment tour, and I'm going to be showing you guys also my setup, which you guys will probably have already seen. I'm going to be moving soon, so I thought I'd finally show you guys the apartment and show you everything I love in it and everything of it. Please give the video a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part of my apartment, and let's get right into it. Right as soon as you come into my apartment, you have my door, and right as soon as you enter, it is directly my kitchen, and you have my beautiful island along with these beautiful chairs that I love that were, I think I bought them off of Amazon. I love the marble. Marble backlash as well will come right around over here. My huge mirror, which I am obsessed with, which you guys probably already see on my Instagram a ton. And then right next to it, I have my ring light and another tripod. I just kind of keep tripods and stuff around there just for easy access for when I'm going to film and take pictures. And then right next to it, I have Olive's very comfortable bed, which she hates. She'll just sleep on my couch, under my blankets that I usually keep on my couch. Then coming back in through the kitchen, have my fridge, all stainless steel, which another thing I love about my apartment. And then there's just like a bunch of storage stuff up here, which I keep like random things like sugar and vinegar and more sugar. Yeah. Then I have my fridge, very boring. I don't really have anything in here besides alcohol. And cheese and coffee stuff. That's about it. That's all you're getting in my fridge. And you come right along here, you have my sign that says Olive You, which I absolutely love. I think I found it at a Hobby Lobby and I saw it and I thought that was perfect, so I bought it. And then I have some knife sets, a frother, just storage for like plates and stuff like that. I love the color blue. So you know I had to get the blue plates. I think my dad put that up there. It's all-purpose. Oh, that was sticky. I don't know what I just touched. And you have a lot of coffee stuff here. This is my coffee storage, along with my Nespresso and my Chamberlain matcha, which I still need to learn how to make better matcha because I love matcha. Then you have some cups and more cups, just storage for that. Moving on. And then coming right down here, I have my pantry. It's not too big. I wish it was a little bit bigger. Then right next to it, you have my washer and dryer, and I love this washer and dryer. It is so cool. I don't know, I just feel like it's really fancy. I have a bunch of stuff in there which we don't need to pay attention to. Now for the more exciting part, moving past the kitchen, we're gonna get into a little bit of an overview of my living room. My living room is kind of like my studio because I don't have my own stream room. The place that I'm moving to, I will actually have my own stream room, so I'm super excited for that, and I will probably do another tour eventually. So anyways, let's get right into over there. My couch, I absolutely love. My original apartment, it was 2 stories if you guys don't remember, and it was very gorgeous, and I kind of had a gray and white theme in my old apartment, which I kind of like to keep in this apartment too. So I did do that, and then my couch I think originally was from Wayfair. Last table, I have actually 2 of these. I have a bigger one in my bedroom actually, but this one I just like as a coffee table. It's very minimalist, I think is the word. And then I have some candles and random stuff. Some like, I don't know, I think I just have lighters in here for like my candles. Some books. This one is called Mastering Adulthood, which I have never read, and I probably will not. I just bought it because it was really pretty. I think I bought this from Urban Outfitters. My setup is currently actually in my living room, which I think personally is a perfect spot for it because you have my windows that are floor to ceiling, and I'm obsessed with them, and it's probably literally one of my favorite parts in my apartment and part of my setup too. Right as soon as you come on over here, you have my desk, and I actually have a marble countertop thing from IKEA, along with my drawers that are right here too. Right here, starting from the left side of my desk, I have just like some markers and scissors, just random things like that that I might need. And then I have this little diamond plaque thing that I actually got from another streaming app that I used to stream on, which many of you guys know of. And then I have a little thing for my phone just to set it up on. You can actually plug your phone into here and charge it. So very convenient, especially if I'm doing like a little phone stream or Instagram live off of my desk while I'm streaming on Twitch. Then I have my Venus how do I pronounce, I don't know how to pronounce that word. But yeah, we have my Venus roses that Sean actually got me for Valentine's Day last year, so about a year ago, and they've lasted quite some time. And they still smell like roses. That is absurd. Smell. Then, coming right here, I have my Elgato key light, and this thing goes so bright. Where's my phone? I will turn it on for you. Sometimes I have my light turned all the way brightness up, and you can just control it from your phone right here, which is super convenient. And this is just on low. Then you can put it all the way up on high, and it kind of blinds you. But we're just gonna keep that off for now. Then right next to my key light, I have my Sony a6000, which is my streaming camera, and I just have a regular kit lens on it, which is the 16 by 50 millimeter. Super good camera, and then I just have it on a tripod that is clamped to my desk. And then I have one of my speakers here, which they're currently not on. I don't know if they're broken or if they're just not working or I don't have them plugged in, but those have not been on for a minute. Then I just have a little coaster here for my coffee when I have coffee when I'm streaming. And then moving on to my actual setup, I'm gonna move my chair on over. Then right on my monitor, this is a 27-inch BenQ Zowie monitor, 240 hertz. I'm obsessed with it. It is my all-time favorite monitor. And then it has like a little thing that pulls out to keep my headset on. Super convenient too. And then I have a HyperX mouse pad along with a Ducky Mini 2 with putting keycaps, which I absolutely love. And then I have my Logitech Pro Superlight, Logitech G Pro Superlight. I have my Blue Yeti microphone, which I actually just am going to be upgrading. I got a Shure SM7B microphone, which I will be setting up in my new setup, and that will probably sound very, very crisp. Then to the right, I actually have a vertical monitor where I usually read my chat on. I just recently actually turned this monitor. Before it was just like side-by-side vertical. And this is just a, I think it's a 27-inch Sceptre monitor. It's a little bit curved too. And getting into, over here I actually have a thing to control for my headset, and then I have a little mini stream deck. Moving on to the drawers that I actually have in my setup, and these are the IKEA Alex drawers, I think what they're called, and these are in the wood color, which I love and adore because I think it looks very clean and it's very different compared to just the regular white or black that a lot of people usually have. Starting off with the top drawer, I just have like a planner and another notebook. This one I usually keep a lot of stream notes in. Second drawer down, I'm still kind of like trying to organize these and like figure out what I want to keep in each one of them. This one I just have a bunch of dry erase markers for when I edit like my leaderboard thing on my dry erase board. These just have snacks. I have cashews and little mini cheese sandwich crackers, so that snack drawer comes in handy. Then next drawer down, I just keep a lot of camera equipment stuff in here. Like I have like a camera case, which I keep my big DSLR camera that we're actually filming on right now, and there's some different lens and like my Canon G7X camera, and then some other microphones and like streaming webcam, some chargers, stuff like that. Moving on to the next set of drawers, which I actually have my PC on the ground. Over here I just keep like phones, which I need to get rid of because I don't use these. And then I just have some like Aquaphor, some lip glosses, like chapstick. Second drawer down, we have my glasses. These are my e-girl gaming glasses, my gamer girl glasses. These are what made me be radiant in Valorant. So if you guys would like to be radiant like me in Valorant, then get yourself a pair of these glasses. Then moving down to the third drawer, I just have a bunch of different like cords and stuff in here, like a controller. Moving down to the last drawer, I just keep a bunch of different stream supplies that I usually need in here. There's a lot in this, and just a bunch of different other stuff that I'll use on my streams. Then moving on to what you see in the background of my stream, including my chair. I'm currently using a Corsair something chair. It's lasted me quite a while, and I've actually upgraded to a Mavix chair, and you guys can actually shop on Mavix and use my code JustJenna, and I'll put it on the screen, and also I'll link it down below if you guys want to get $55 off of your Mavix chair purchase. Definitely check them out. They're so comfortable, and I'm excited to be using mine. I'm ditching this one tomorrow actually and building my new one on stream. Moving on to back here, I have another one of these lights that you guys had already seen over there. And back here, I actually have this like ottoman from my couch that I just put back here because I didn't really like the look of having my ottoman by my couch. And then I have my Twitch partner blanket that Twitch sent me, and it's so cozy, so comfortable. Olive always tries to steal it. Then you have my Nanoleafs. But these are just my Nanoleafs. I think I purchased this on Amazon, and if you guys would like to, you guys can shop on my Amazon storefront. Then moving on to my other Alex 9 drawers. Right here on top of them, I just have this little vintage Volkswagen Beetle, and it has like these cute little surfboards on it. I've had this since I was like literally 10 and I love it. And then I have a little sailboat, which I actually got from Hobby Lobby. And then this plant, I forget what this plant is called, but my apartment gave it to me when I first moved in. And then I have my virtual clock, my LED clock light. The time is not correct. I literally just turned it on and this is just the time it said it was, but it's currently midnight. So I guess it's not that far off. If you guys are interested in the LED clock, it'll also be on my Amazon storefront under gaming and setup essentials, and that'll be linked down below too. This is just an olive painting that I did on stream, and I just have a couple like other random paintings that I've done back here that I just kind of keep back there, and I like this one the most, so we always keep her right there. Moving on in here, we're gonna turn the lights on. So to give a little overview of my bedroom, my bed, I love. This blanket, I think I bought it off of Etsy. I love it. I don't remember what the name was. My comforter is it's a duvet from Target, and I love sage green, so I had to get it. My pillows are purple pillow. Then right next to my bed, I have this desk, which I used to have in my old setup, but I don't really use it. I keep my MAC on it. I haven't used this MAC in like multiple years. Perfumes right here. This one's from Glossier. I'm obsessed with it. This one is from Replica. It's called Bubble Bath. This one is probably my all-time favorite, which is the Flower Bomb by Victor and Rolf. And then I have a couple different sunglasses and this little tray thing I think I bought off of Etsy, which I absolutely love. And then I have all of my badges from all events that I used to go to. I wish COVID was not happening currently, because I miss going to VidCon, and I'm super duper looking forward to going to TwitchCon. I know Bailey and I will probably go. And in these drawers, I just have like journals and like random things like that. I have a lot of journals. We're not even gonna get into those. And then moving past here, this is my glass table that I was talking about that is kind of like my one in my living room. I think I bought both off of Amazon. And then my TV is Vizio. She's been through a lot. I have literally the exact same one underneath my bed, but I just like don't use them ever. And then over here I have my DJ Serato Pioneer SX2, which is my turntables, which I have not used in quite some time. So I definitely need to bring back some like DJ streams or something of the sort. The other organizer that's in the corner is from IKEA. I think it's just the Alex 9 drawers. And then I just have a bunch of like pictures and random things on top of it. And then in those drawers I just have like a bunch of like storage stuff for like random things that I used to collect. I used to be a big collector. Then moving past to what I love about this place too is the closet space. I technically have about 3 closets. I have one that's right here that I usually keep my shoes in, and I'm gonna show you guys that because I think everyone loves when I show my shoes. So come on over right here. All the shoes. I have so many clothes. I am actually selling a lot of them on my Depop, and if you guys are interested in any of that, I'm selling a lot of my nicer clothes, and I will just put my Depop right here on the screen if you guys want to go check that out or follow it. Right as soon as you come out in here, it's literally just clothes on clothes. Like it's a lot. Then on this side, I kind of use this side a little bit as storage. I have a bunch of boxes and stuff, and then like bikinis and bathing suits, stuff like that under there. And then this is like my dresses and sweater section. Just more closets, more just clothes, and yeah, most of these are probably my dad's sweaters that I stole from his closet, but we'll hide those. Right next to here, I actually bought this pretty recently because I needed more closet space because the 3 closets that I had was not enough. And this is just from Target. It was actually super easy to build. I have my jewelry box on it along with like my necklace rack right here, which this was from Urban Outfitters, and then my grandma actually bought this for me quite some time ago. And then I like this little acrylic hand thing for my rings, which I think I got off of Amazon. Then I have my little caboodle, and if you don't know what a caboodle is, then I feel sorry for you. I love caboodles. You should get one for yourself, even if you're a guy. You can just store like little small things in it. Like I store like random rings and like everyday hair ties and stuff like that. And then right next to it, I just keep a bunch of pens and stuff like that. And I actually made this cup holder from magazines, and I did a color coordination. I just used magazines and literally just rolled it up and then glued it to it. And I thought it was really creative, and I thought it was cool. So I've had that for a very long time. And then this one's storage. Another caboodle. Oh, there's shells in this one from the beach. Then in this one, it's just more storage with like vacuum bags, literally nothing interesting. Then moving on into here is my bathroom, and it might be a little bit echoey, so if it is, I apologize for that. The light switch is actually automatic usually, so anytime if you just leave the light on and you walk out of the room, it'll actually turn the lights off automatically. Then, this is a door that literally just goes back to the kitchen, which is very cool for when I have guests over, then they don't have to go through my bedroom to go to the bathroom. So this door is very convenient for when I have guests over and they need to use the restroom and they don't have to walk through my bedroom. So that's perfect. Then you have my shower. I love it. I need to clean it before I move. The glass gets very dirty, unfortunately. Super convenient, I love it. The mirror, everything in here is the best. Then down here, I usually just keep like storage for like hair products and like makeup and stuff like that. So I don't really need to go in there, but that just about concludes it. Oh, actually, that does not conclude it. We still have to show you guys my patio or my balcony. My balcony actually wraps around and does an L shape. So I'll take you on out there. Right as soon as you come out here too, you have a really cool view. You have a view of mountains and you also have a view of a little bit of city. Then coming out here, so cute. It wraps all the way around. And then I have some furniture over here. That's just about it. It's super duper roomy and it's nice. I will miss it. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and be sure to comment down below your favorite part of my apartment or any of the other videos that you guys would like to see in the future. If you guys have not followed me on Twitch and along with my other socials, please do so. They'll be either on the screen or linked in the description for you guys to go down and check out and follow. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video. Have an amazing night, morning, or day wherever you live in the world, and I'll see you guys in the next one.